Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel BioEasy, and today we are going to start the most expected top 40 MCQs for NEET Biology. Before starting, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now the question number 1 is, which of the following animals is having longitudinal binary fission? So options are Hydra, Euglena, Planaria, Plasmodium. So the answer is Euglena, and now you can see the solution that in Euglena it is the longitudinal binary fission. Next question is, how many different kinds of gametes will be produced by a plant having the genotype capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, capital C? Yes, student, guess. Now the answer is 4. And you can see the solution that the formula to find out number of genotype is equal to 2 to the power n, where the n is the number of heterozygous alleles present in the genotype. And you can see in the above question there are 2 heterozygous allele, which is capital A small a and capital B small b, while capital C is the homozygous allele. So according to the formula, the n is equal to 2, and we can put this value in our formula so that we can find the answer 4. Next question is, which part of the plant contains sporogenous tissue? Options are pollen, stamen, microspore and young anther. So the answer is young anther. So we have the solution that the archisporal cells divides by periclinally. So periclinal division means parallel to surface. So there is a cell, and if this cell divides by periclinally, so one cell is found outside and other cell is found inside. So outside cell forms 4 anther wall like epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, tapetum, and inside cell is called as primary sporogenous cell, which forms 4 pollen grains. So the answer is young anther. Next question is, the acrosome of sperm contains, all of you know that it contains hydrolytic enzymes. So the answer is C. Now you can see the clear image of sperm on which you can see the acrosome, which is found at the apex of sperm, which consists of hydrolytic enzymes. Next is the embryo with more than 16 blastomere formed due to in vitro fertilization is transferred into, the answer is uterus, because if there is more than 16 cells are found, so this type of blastomere is transferred into the uterus. Next is the, which of the following most appropriately describe hemophilia? So the answer is X-linked recessive gene disorder. Next is the, identify the correct match between codons and coding function. You can see the AUG codes for methionine, so A is matched with 2. Now you can see the option B can be correct. Now we can verify the others. So the answer is B. Next is the Miller's urease experiment mixture had the following except. So in Miller's urea experiment, You know that methane is present, CO2 is absent, hydrogen is present, and water vapors are also present. So your answer is CO2. Now you can see this, the experiment of Miller-Urey. Next is the which of the following immunoglobulin does constitute the largest percentage of human milk? So your answer is IgA. Remember, this is the most important question. Next is the pollen tablets are available in the market for ex situ conservation? No. In vitro fertilization? No. Breeding programs? No. Supplementing food? Yes. So your answer is the supplementing food. Next is the mycorrhiza does not help the host plant in enhancing its phosphorus uptake capacity, increase its tolerance to drought, enhancing its resistance to root pathogen, increase its resistance to insect. देखिए डी ऑप्शन जो है वो does not help. Yes, so your answer is the D. Next is the common cold is not cured by antibiotics because it is not an infectious disease caused by gram-positive bacterium, caused by gram-negative bacterium, caused by virus. Yes, your answer is D. Next question is cDNA probes are copied from the messenger RNA molecules with the help of. देखिए cDNA is the complementary DNA which is formed by the reverse transcription process. So your answer is the reverse transcriptase. And the solution you can see in this process, when DNA is formed from DNA, it is called as replication. And when from double-stranded DNA, the single-stranded RNA is formed, this process is called as transcription. And from single-stranded mRNA, protein is formed, this process is called as translation. While you can see that from single-stranded mRNA, a double-stranded DNA is formed, this process is called as reverse transcription. And in this process, the enzymes are called as reverse transcriptase enzyme. Next question is the first human hormone produced by recombinant DNA technology is. So the answer is insulin. Next is the following graph depicts changes in two populations A and B of herbivorous in a grassy field. A possible reason for these changes is that. Now you can see there is a graph in between time and number of organisms, in which the number of A organisms get reduced while the number of B organisms are increased. Now we can see the options. Both plant populations in this habitat decreased. It is not just like that. Number B is the population B competed more successfully for food than population A. Yes, it is the right answer. Now you can see B is the right one. Now also you can see next options like population A produced more offsprings than population B. So आप देख सकते हैं पॉपुलेशन ए का नंबर डिक्रीज हो रहा है, तो ये ऑप्शन भी गलत है. पॉपुलेशन ए कंज्यूम्ड ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन बी, ऐसा भी नहीं हो रहा है, तो बी इज द राइट वन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following play an important role in the maintenance of biogeochemical cycle in the ecosystem? So these are the decomposers. Yes, क्योंकि decomposers जो होते हैं ये कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल को सिंपलर मॉलिक्यूल में चेंज करते हैं, तो ये रिसाइकलिंग में हेल्प करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द रेड डेटा बुक रिकॉर्ड्स। वे जो स्पीसीज एक्सटिंक्ट हो सकती है, थ्रेटन्ड स्पीसीज हैं, उनको रेड डेटा बुक में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज द डिप्लीशन ऑफ विच गैस इन द एटमॉस्फेयर कैन लीड टू एन इंक्रीज्ड इंसिडेंस ऑफ स्किन कैंसर। देखिए कौन सी गैस डिक्रीज होने पर एनवायरनमेंट में स्किन कैंसर होने के चांसेस इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं, वो है ओजोन। योर आंसर इज ओजोन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज erythropoietin is secreted from kidney. Next is the retina is composed of rod, cones and neuroganglion. Your answer is number C. Next, which of the following bones does not articulate with any other bones? तो वो बोन आपके हायर्ड बोन है जो नेक में होती है। आप आंसर देखिए हायर्ड, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सी द सॉल्यूशंस दैट हायर्ड बोन जो होती है वो नेक में मिलती है और उसका आर्टिकुलेशन किसी भी अदर बोन से नहीं होता है। नेक्स्ट इज द which hormone is responsible for reabsorption of water in the kidney? It is ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Next is the which one of the following plasma protein is involved in coagulation of blood? So ये होता है आपका fibrinogen. When protein is aerobically oxidized, the RQ value will be, it is less than 1. Next is the for the activity carboxypeptidase require which metal? Yes, gas. It is zinc. Next is the which hormone is not translocated? It is ABA, abscisic acid. During anaerobic respiration, the conversion of pyruvate into acetaldehyde along with DPP, the cofactor is magnesium ion. Next is the in sugarcane CO2 is fixed in malic acid with the help of enzyme PEP carboxylase. Next is the deficiency symptom of nitrogen and potassium are visible first in senescent leaves. Osmotic concentration of a cell kept in water is chiefly regulated by vacuole. When synapsis is complete, the cell enters a stage called Pachytene. Which structure level enables protein to function as enzymes? So वो tertiary structure होता है students. Now you can see the solution also, that it is the primary structure, it is secondary, next it is tertiary and quaternary. So tertiary structure is useful for enzyme functions. Next, protoplast is a cell without cell wall. Next, Wharton's jelly present in the umbilical cord is an example for mucous connective tissue. Next, common bottle cork is product of phallogen. Next is the rhaplum occurs in the ovary of mustard. Now you can see this is the rhaplum found in the ovary of mustard. Next is the a jawless fish which lays eggs in the fresh water and whose ammoetes larva after metamorphosis return to ocean. It is the Petromyzon. Now you can see the clear picture of Petromyzon. It is Petromyzon. Next, Phanerogames without ovary are gymnosperms. Next, red root of sugarcane and white rust of mustard are respectively caused by Coleotrichum and Albugo candida. Last question is, a virus can be considered living as it, yes, reproduces inside the host. So, thanks for watching. Please learn, like, share and subscribe Biozy. Have a nice day.